Look at this channel. It got 17,000 subscribers with just 4 videos, and this one got 91,000 subscribers with just 9 videos. Another one with just 14 videos got 183,000 subscribers. This one got 149,000 subscribers with just 7 videos. With 14 videos, it reached 871,000 subscribers. And this one, with 51 videos, has 86K subscribers. Compared to the others, this is slow. Why? It's because they were uploading different content before with a different style and weren't getting many views, so they changed their content a little, along with their style of making videos. In reality, they made just 8 videos that brought them, if not 80,000 subscribers, at least 70,000 subscribers and millions of views. But how did they actually do that? Do you want to know?
Obviously, that's why we're here.
Okay, then let's start. I'll make it short because I don't want to bore you. If you don't understand something, you can ask in the comments. One day, I was just scrolling and I saw a video with 3.2 million views. I clicked on it, watched the whole thing, and then started investigating that channel, then more channels like it. After 200 hours of research, I figured out what they were doing, why they were getting so many views and subscribers with just a few videos. So I'm here to tell you about that. But before that, you need to understand 2 things. Number 1, stop running after subscribers, run after views. If you get 90,000 views, you'll automatically gain 10,000 plus subscribers. This video, they got 50,000 subscribers from just that single video. I'm sure of it because of the views. Number 2,
Be patient.
YouTube takes time to make your videos go viral. It doesn't matter how many videos they've made, look at the time period. It took them at least 3 to 4 months to reach this level. Don't stuff your channel with a bunch of videos, there's no need for that. Just make 1 video per week or 1 video every 2 weeks, but it should be high quality content that can go viral. What do they do? Look at their titles. Give me 7 minutes and I'll force you to lock in this. How to learn anything faster than everyone. Now, let's analyze those videos.
Since COVID, a lot has changed. The world isn't the same as it used to be, but not exactly in a good way. Everything became gray and pretty much colorless. Be honest, you probably dreamed about how awesome it'd be to learn anything instantly. Like snapping your fingers and boom, you've got it. Maybe you wanted to learn how to do a flip to show off at school and catch your 6th grade crushes at...
See, they didn't use much animation, just simple images that they made themselves. And you can do it too. You don't have to be an artist for that. Come on, we all drew circles, 2 eyes and 2 arms in our childhood, like this. You don't even need a pen. You can draw with your hands using apps like Sketchbook or Ibis Paint X. Look at other videos.
So if you've ever tried to quit social media, you've probably told yourself that YouTube doesn't count. You know, because it's educational. But if you take a second to think about what you watch...
See their drawings? Most of you can do better, I know. This is all handmade, and they just use it in some parts of the video. But if you still don't want to do it with your precious hands, no problem. We'll make it with AI. I can't play full videos here, but I played some parts of them just for you guys.
Aww.
Step 1. Create a channel. I won't waste time explaining this. There are already tons of videos available on this topic. Once you have your channel, choose a name. You can use ChatGPT for this or come up with one yourself. Use this prompt in ChatGPT and it will generate name ideas. I'll paste the prompt in the description. You can tweak it according to your needs. Step 2. Make a logo. Ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for your logo using the name you selected. You can add logo styles to make it more refined. I'll also include this prompt in the description, so you don't have to use your precious brain. But use it a little. Make sure to adjust it according to your needs. I'll paste that prompt in Leonardo AI and it will generate images. Don't forget to select the Phoenix style. I'll go with this one. Step 3, find a video topic. I highly recommend watching all the videos from those successful channels. Yes, all of them. I always say this in my videos. Bill Gates once said, if I have 30 days for a project, I will spend 25 days researching it. And so watch them. After just 5 videos, you'll start understanding what topics to choose, how to start the video, and how to end it. Of course, I'll teach you how to make it, but still, you need to watch them. There's no shortcut. You have to do some hard work. Now, you can also ask ChatGPT for topic ideas, ask it to suggest similar topics. It will generate solid ideas. I'll go with this one. One more trick, observe your surroundings. Search social media, read people's comments, find a problem, and create a solution for it. Trust me, it works even better. How will you solve that problem? Obviously, by researching, you can't generate completely unique ideas from thin air. You have to study first. Step 4, write a script. Don't know how to write? No problem. Ask ChatGPT to write a human-like script similar to those channels. It will generate the entire script for you, read it, and if you want to add or remove anything, go for it. I will add all prompts in the description. Step 5, voiceover. Now, go to 11 Labs for the voiceover, or use DubDub AI. Once your voiceover is ready, it's time to generate images. Step 6, generate images. Use Piclomen generator. Just head over to their website and hit the generate button. Their interface is similar to other image generators. We're just going to create images of our character for narration. Paste the prompt in the text box and select your preferred model. There are a few models to choose from. Feel free to experiment. But the Flux model works best for this style. Now, choose your aspect ratio. Select the number of images and proceed with generation. It only takes a few seconds. Once your images are ready, edit them in a video. Now, to generate other images, you simply need to paste the same prompt and modify this section with whatever you want. Let's say, I want the character to be sitting on a chair staring at a blank screen, constantly checking their phone, looking frustrated. Step 7, edit the video. I won't waste time explaining how to edit in CapCut, otherwise this video will be too long. But editing is necessary. If you want to grow on YouTube, you must know how to edit. For that, watch my last video where I explained how important editing is. I also provided a free editing course link in that video's description, so check it out. Now, I'll edit quickly. Just add the voiceover, images, and transitions. Instead of music, use sound effects. I know Muslims don't use music, don't worry. Use sound effects, change them when the scene changes, for example. Talking about something sad, use a sad sound effect. Talking about something motivational, use an uplifting sound effect. Believe me, it will help your video grow. Now, let's watch the masterpiece we've created.
Ever sit down to work and 5 seconds later, boom, you're scrolling TikTok, checking emails, or suddenly remembering you need to clean your entire room? Yeah, your focus is broken, and you're not alone. Focus is a rare superpower these days, but don't worry. I'm going to show you why your brain refuses to focus and, more importantly, how to fix it in just 7 minutes. First, let's talk about why your focus is non-existent. It's not because you're lazy or dumb. It's because your brain is wired for distractions. Every time you check your phone, your brain gets a little hit of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. Over time, your brain starts craving that quick hit of pleasure, making it impossible to focus on boring tasks. Ever try to multitask? Spoiler, you're not actually multitasking. Context switching, jumping between different things, forcing your brain to reset every time. This drains your mental energy faster than your phone on 1% battery.
See? When the sound effects change, your emotions change too. Now, let's make a thumbnail. If you look at their thumbnails, they are simple but attractive. Open Canva and upload the pictures. Remove the background using the background remover tool. Once the background is removed, place and adjust the images accordingly. Add the other image as well and adjust its position. Now, paste the title text that we got from ChatGPT and position it properly. Change the color of some text to any color you like for contrast, then go to Elements, add an arrow, and change its color too. And just like that, your thumbnail is ready. And one more thing, if you remember, I told you in my first video that I'm working on a big project. That wasn't a lie. I am still working on it. Since it's a big project, it will take some time. Be patient and wait for it.